Good morning, fam. Whether you're waking up or resetting your energy for the day, this 5-minute routine is designed to unlock tightness, improve flexibility, and build strength. Imagine each stretch gently waking up your body, like sunlight streaming through your window. All you need is a little space, a mat, and the desire to start your day feeling refreshed and energized. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with the powerful duo to open up the entire body. Downward dog into cobra stretch. Picture yourself grounding into strength with downward dog and flowing into grace with cobra stretch. Start in a plank position. Push your hips up and back into downward dog, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Keep your fingers spread wide, pressing evenly into your palms. Let your heels sink toward the floor for a deep stretch along your calves and hamstrings. Inhale as you flow forward, lowering your hips toward the mat and lifting your chest into cobra stretch. Keep your elbows soft, chest proud, and shoulders rolled back. Exhale as you press back into downward dog. This dynamic movement is going to lengthen the spine, loosen up tight hamstrings, and open the chest, shoulders, and hips. It's a full body wake-up call. Bend your knees slightly in downward dog for less strain on your hamstrings if you're new to the stretch. If you need to challenge yourself, add a push-up when transitioning from cobra to downward dog for extra strength building. Flow through one more round of downward dog into cobra stretch, feeling your body awaken with each movement. Next, we'll shift into a grounded lunge to target your hips. Are your hips feeling tight? Let's open them up with the low lunge, one side at a time. Step your right foot forward between your hands, keeping your left knee on the mat. Ensure your front knee is stacked over your ankle. Press your hips forward gently to feel a stretch in your left hip flexor. Lift your chest tall, resting your hands on your front thigh or on the ground for support. This stretch is going to target the hip flexors and quads, releasing tightness from sitting or running. If you're a beginner, place a folded towel under your back knee for cushioning. If you're an advanced stretcher, add a slight twist by raising your opposite arm, reaching over your body for a deeper stretch. Switch sides, stepping your left foot forward now. Let the stretch travel through your hip flexors, preparing us for the next movement that brings balance and stability. Let's fire up your core and improve balance with bird dog, a stretch that also builds strength. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back, creating a straight line from fingertips to toes. Keep your hips level. Inhale to hold the position, then exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together under your body. This stretch strengthens your core, improves stability, and activates the lower back and glutes. If you're a beginner, feel free to hold the extended position without bringing the elbow and knee together. If you're an advanced stretcher, add small pauses at the extended position for an extra challenge. Switch to the other side now, extending your left arm and right leg. Feel your balance and focus sharpening as we prepare to stretch the chest. Undo all that hunching and sitting with this kneeling chest opener, perfect for opening up your heart and standing taller. Kneel on the mat with your knees hip-width apart. Clasp your hands behind your back and hold a towel if needed. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, lift your chest and gently pull your arms back. Keep your shoulders rolled down and back, letting your chest open wide. This stretch relieves tension in the chest and shoulders while promoting better posture. If you're a beginner, try keeping your hands resting on your hips and focus on lifting your chest. If you are advancing and need a challenge, slightly arch your upper back for a deeper stretch. Take one more deep breath here, opening your chest fully. Now we'll stand for a calming yet energizing finish. Let's finish strong with a standing forward fold, a stretch that grounds you while loosening your hamstrings and lower back. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, hinge at your hips, folding forward, and letting your arms dangle toward the ground. Relax your head and neck, feeling the stretch along your hamstrings and spine. Inhale to lift halfway, lengthening your spine, then exhale to fall deeper. The stretch calms the mind, lengthens the hamstrings, and decompresses the spine. Bend your knees slightly to reduce tension in your hamstrings if you're new to the stretch. If you need more of a challenge, grab opposite elbows and gently sway side to side for a deeper stretch. Roll up slowly, one vertebra at a time, letting your head come up last. Feel how light and energized your body feels after just 5 minutes of movement. Awesome work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched, strengthened, and energized your entire body. Fam, support the channel by smashing the subscribe button, and let's bring more people to the party. Don't forget to check the description for a free customizable fitness program. This is a special one that I put together for you. This program will help you install fitness habits in your life. Let's keep moving, stay strong and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.